lose
She's
your finger
feeling
there.
better. Yeah. She was letting me pet her the other day.
Oh my goodness, she won't bite.
The other day she was letting us pet her head and everything.
She can't use her feet right now because of the way I have her legs, because the toes can only contract if they're, you know, if they do that. So if you keep your
She's
legs
getting
straight.
hot.
Yeah, we need to.
Yeah.
Let me get this something now. Aaliyah, come here, quick. She's like, okay, I'm ready.
And you had seen her stunned on the. There she goes.
Oh, well, wonderful.
You see her? Now she's a first-year bird, so she doesn't have a territory.
There she is.
So I can release them anywhere. But the